Think of your condenser fan like the lungs of your outdoor air conditioning unit. It sits inside that big metal box outside your house, and its whole job is to pull air across the coils so the heat from inside your home can escape outside. When that fan stops spinning, heat gets trapped, your system overheats, and your air conditioner either blows warm air or shuts off completely to protect itself. One thing most people never learn is that a tiny part called a capacitor is often the true culprit, not the fan motor itself. This capacitor acts like a small battery that gives the fan motor a strong kick of energy to start spinning. And over time, especially in extreme heat, that capacitor weakens and eventually fails. When this happens, you might even hear a soft humming sound coming from the unit, which is the motor trying to start but not having enough power to actually turn. If you gently push the fan blades with a stick while the unit is running and it kicks on, that is a strong sign your capacitor is the problem, not the motor. One common mistake homeowners make is assuming the whole unit is broken and needs full replacement, when often it is just one cheap part like a capacitor or a fuse causing the issue, so always get a proper diagnosis before agreeing to a costly repair. Another mistake is ignoring regular cleaning, since leaves, dirt, and grass clippings build up around the fan and coils and cause it to overheat and shut down, so try to hose off the outside unit every couple of months. A lot of people also forget to check their electrical breaker panel first, because sometimes the fan is not damaged at all, it simply lost power from a tripped breaker. If you need help with this kind of project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Job It Here, where homeowners and property owners can list their jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.